Yeah, that's so it looks like from the drone. But yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Do you remember that kind of big sandbank area?
I do remember something like that.
And we were looking at the dock there. It's a dock, but it's a totally full. SealCon?
Oh, the
colony. I think it's SealCon, like a conference or convention.
Is it organized?
Sorry?
Is it organized?
Yeah, they only insured to do this like one channel. Otherwise, like it's a bigger liability.
Oh, that's why they have like just those one specific trips.
Yeah, exactly.
I get it. Did they say you have to wear life jackets?
Just while in the harbor, basically so that they can see you wearing them. As soon as you're out of eyesight, you take them off.
Oh, okay.
Unless you want to wear it. You're always welcome.
Got a nice yacht today, right?
Yeah, right.
I like the azimuth and the sea ray.
Sea rays are gorgeous.
They are, aren't they?
I was about to ask if mom and dad had been on a boat out this way before, but I guess, yeah, remember your anniversary? Yeah. We're up there.
Should be okay for now. Why are there holes on it?
You want spray or not spray?
Not spray.
They have spray?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll take some spray.
Cool, just go to...
I don't remember. I don't remember being sunburned.
We were quite simple. Cool. Okay, I don't see a ton of seals. It's the first time I've ever been and there haven't been like a ton of seals.
You apply for a patent. You got to build one of
This
them, and then
vaping
you.
thing, I invented this when I was a teenager.
Oh, did you?
I did. Oh, it's a neat noise, eh?
It's kind of like a mosquito.
No, it's a neat noise because
So Winnie hates it.
because it's 4 different blades spinning at once, right? Winnie doesn't like it?
No, he
He
barks
hated it,
at it.
yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How come Winnie doesn't like it? It's not painful anymore. I've always dreaded it.
No, it's not painful.
Okay.